To ensure extraordinary coffees every day, you should regularly clean and descale your 500 Series VeroCafe. Run the Calc'n Clean process when prompted by your machine. For this process, you'll need cleaning and descaling tablets. Start by activating the Calc'n Clean program in the menu. From here, the display will guide you through the whole process. Remove, empty, and clean the drip tray under running water. Then insert the drip tray back into the machine. Dissolve one descaling tablet into 500 milliliters or 17 ounces of warm water. Once the tablet has dissolved, pour the descaling mixture into the water tank. Place a 1 liter or 34-ounce container underneath the dispenser to collect the cleaning water. Now you can begin the descaling process. Thoroughly rinse, then refill the water tank and put it back into place. Empty the drip tray again before reinserting it. Take one cleaning tablet and place it inside the ground coffee compartment. Put your container back underneath the dispenser to collect the cleaning water. When the process is complete, empty, clean, and reinsert the drip tray one last time. And there you have it! Your espresso machine is clean and ready to brew your favorite coffees. The 500 Series VeroCafe from Bosch, for extraordinary coffees every day.